In this video, how to always prompt for name and location after recording in Camtasia. As you can see, after recording in Camtasia, the recording file name generated with timestamp. It's hard for management and organization. To always prompt for name and location after recording in Camtasia, you can change it when starting to record a new project. Navigate to the Tool menu, then select Preferences. Select the File tab. In this window, select the checkbox Prompt a File Name. You can also change the default location to save the new recording files. Now, every time you stop a recording, Camtasia will prompt you to choose a folder and file name for your recording. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.